I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back to show you guys my brightening skincare routine. The key to my skin brightening is my GLEAMIN Vitamin C Clay Mask. I'll speak more on this mask when I get to that point of the routine, but let's get into the video. Now I must say I don't do the same thing every time I wash my face. It all depends on what I'm trying to achieve, and I do like to switch up my products here and there, but I still have my favorites. With that being said, I fell asleep with a little bit of makeup on. I was partying in Miami the night before, and yeah, subscribe to my vlog channel to see that. But I start out using a cotton pad and micellar water. Now this stuff gets everything off your skin. It leaves it feeling clean, and it's alcohol free, so my face doesn't feel stripped at all. You know, I like to stay away from using products on my face with alcohol. Next, I use Dermalogica's Daily Microfoliant. It's a really fine rice powder. You just mix it in your palm with a little bit of water to make it into a paste. And then you just massage it all over your face. Being that the rice powder is so fine, it's not harsh, it's not going to cut your skin. It's really a gentle exfoliation. So actually, that's why they call it a microfoliant, I guess. Now, I don't do this daily like the title of the product suggests, but I probably use it every few days. I like to change up the way I exfoliate, and I also like to use a spin brush, but I'll talk about that in another video. Get into me rinsing my face like a Neutrogena commercial. I really thought I was in the Neutrogena commercial. Now I get a Q-tip and the micellar water to clean my lash line because I have on lash extensions. You have to take special care to make sure your lash extensions last, and a lot of people tend to neglect cleaning their lashes properly. It really makes a difference in how long your lashes last and just the quality of them. I get my lashes done by Visage by Shantae out in Queens, New York, and she's really good, trust me, because it's not easy when you have super curly, unruly lashes like mine, okay? I'm using her lash wash to clean the lashes itself. It actually comes in a foam pumping bottle, but it was too large for me to travel with. I wasn't checking my luggage, so I poured some into a little travel bottle, and I'm using a spoolie to dip it into the bottle and then, you know, swipe my lashes with it. So I'm using the spoolie to thoroughly, but still gently, brush through my lashes. And I lightly rinse them off afterwards. Next, I use a lip scrub, which is basically sugar, oil, flavor, and fragrance to exfoliate. That's really easy for you to make at home. But I happen to have a little sample bottle. Or actually, this might be retail size, but it was gifted to me, this little bottle. And it really helps to get rid of any dry and dead skin on my lips. And I noticed after doing the massage, my lips are nice and bright and vibrant. Now this is what you came for. Get into this mask, please, because I got my entire life. At the point of filming this video, I used this mask 2 or maybe 3 times prior, and I already noticed my skin dramatically evening out. Now, granted, my skin in general is pretty clear. Like, I don't have problem skin, but I do get acne, especially, you know, that time of the month I break out, and without fail, I get an acne scar from any little bump that I get. I always tend to get an acne scar, especially like along my jaw or on my forehead or on my cheeks. Yeah, those are the areas I tend to break out. And I definitely noticed that the spots that I have either lightened up significantly or they've completely vanished. So yes, I live. So the ingredients in this mask include turmeric, aloe vera, vitamin C, and those are all really great at fading dark spots, softening the texture of your skin, and it gives you a really natural glow. I know a lot of people are afraid of turmeric because turmeric stains. I've definitely used a mask in the past with turmeric in it, and it absolutely had me looking like a hot dog with mustard. That's what my face looked like for a good half a day. It's a good thing I did it in the evening, you know, I didn't have anywhere to go. But yes, this does not stain. It won't stain your face, or nor will it stain your fabric. So even though if you wash your face with a washcloth, you may see it looks yellow, but don't worry, it will come out in the wash. Although I'm not a purist with the products I use, you will see that I use some all natural products, and I use some products with natural ingredients, and sometimes I use products that are not natural at all. But I still do very much so value using natural ingredients, whether it's my skincare or things that I consume, my hair care. You already know my hair care. But so if you also value natural certified organic ingredients, then you definitely should try out this mask. I applied a generous layer and I let it dry for about 10 minutes before I washed it off. By the way, that little brush that you saw me using to apply the mask, it came with it, okay? Which is perfect. I really appreciate that because it really helps to cut down the mess, and I don't have to worry about it getting under my nails and just being, you know, a mess, you know. Last but not least, I mist my face with a little concoction I use. It's rose water mixed with a little bit of sweet almond oil, shea oil, and natural rose fragrances. And it's very lightweight moisturizing, which I like to use in the summertime especially. And those ingredients are also really good at toning your face and like evening your skin tone. Oh wait, no, this is last. I brush my lashes again to make sure they don't clump up after getting wet. And if you have naturally really curly lashes like mine that kind of curl in different directions, then this is an important step if you have lash extensions, because you don't want them to dry going in the wrong direction because it'll look messy. So I brush them and then I dry them with my little air conditioning fan. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much to GLEAMIN for sponsoring this video. Make sure that you get your mask. You won't regret it. If you've been looking for a product to even out your skin tone, maybe you suffer from acne scars, you can even use it as a spot treatment for that matter. Definitely try this product out. I have the link below so you can definitely check out their reviews and shop. Thanks for watching. Love, light, and locks.